I am really a lucky person. I had the opportunity to meet Professor Hoffman at one epidemiological course organized by WHO in Hungary, and then Professor Hoffman offered me NIHES grant for studying epidemiology at NIHES. Maybe 17 years ago, soon after my PhD defense in Poland. Of course, I used this opportunity, and up to now it is the most important event in my professional life. I think I have a little bit complex personality, and I'm somehow gifted both to mathematics and to other disciplines. Therefore, I choose econometrics for studying both mathematics and economy. So after graduation from econometrics and after some unpleasant car accident during my studies, I decided to move to medicine. Staying in NIHES was the most important event in my professional life. Soon after coming back to Poland, I intended to apply my gained knowledge, so I wrote a book together with my professor Zbigniew Brzeziński, the first and the only clinical epidemiology book in Poland and used up to now but by many students and many professionals. I would also like to stress out the importance of teaching of medical doctors in my country, because they are not taught neither epidemiology nor biostatistics. They do not learn epidemiology in Poland at medical faculties, so I try to fulfill this whole to many other related to my stay at NIHES things. I would like to stress out that I'm lucky to study at NIHES.